grandest of afternoons and evenings, my good royal family. It is Laysia. It is... Pardon all the noise, you know where we at. It is 4:39 p.m. on December 26th. I wanted to show y'all the beautiful sky before I hop into this video. This won't be long, but let's just take a moment to just look at God's work. Amen. But this video is called How Successful Was My 2019 Vision Board? So if you follow my personal page, you may have saw me undergoing this about this time last year. And I even did post a video of it once it was finished. And this was going to be offered as a class in conjunction with my alma mater, Cal State San Bernardino. But I believe I will just be offering this as a workshop for 2020. So let me know if you'd be interested in that. I'd like to start a little wait list for that. It's going to be awesome. But this is the vision board that I made for 2019. And I would like to say that it was rather successful. As you know, vision boards are really, really great to see out your manifestations. It's not enough to just have it in your head. In addition to writing things down, even having pictures and visuals to kind of solidify and match up what you're feeling inside and seeing inside is perfect. And so I created this on like this, kind of cardstocky kind of board. I use Mod Podge, and it starts with introducing the newest gem on earth, Lay. We got the home city of LA, a vision to behold, no illusion. My life now, welcome to the royal empire legacy, her duty, her passion, her majesty, unexpected, unconventional, she was born to be. Now, what makes me believe that this was so successful is not even the way a lot of this played out, but the way a lot of this was set up to catapult me into the energy of 2020. And so I won't go through all of it, but again, this year was kind of me realigning with what it is I really wanted to do and being my true authentic self. So even starting here with Mariah Carey, I covered her eyes, king and queen, power couple, magnetic attraction. Although your girl is single, I feel like I realigned with myself. But that yin and that yang are in perfect harmony right now. And, we had to go in a rebuilding stage. So I feel like that was a success. I'm a power couple all by myself. Yeah, I mean, defined my me. Everything that I did this year, I was able to make happen on my own accord. Like, there wasn't really much I didn't want to do or that didn't come to me to do that kind of wasn't in accordance with what I wanted to do. And I hope that makes sense. 444 on here, we learned more about angel numbers. We got more into our witchery, more into our bruja bag. Elevated from poverty consciousness to wealth consciousness. I do feel like I left Earth, like I'm very much more spiritual now than I have been probably since I was born. Let's see here. The vegan part, we're still working on it. Mama has messed up a little bit, but we're getting it back. But, finding new roads, not looking back, never stop fighting. Like, I just feel like I really went hard this year in doing everything that I wanted. Like, I'm not really too sure how to say that. Strength in numbers. The MPire team is still going strong, and we're working on, getting more people hired. Hello.
Hello, lady.
How are you?
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, sir. Thank you so much. So strength in numbers. MPire team is growing. MPire University is coming. Hi, Orange Kitty. My adopted cat out there. Hi, Mama. Let's see. Getting involved. Like, I've just done a lot this year, and I feel like I'm actually going to make a part 2 to this. It's going to correlate with this video. But even being a muse, like, I was a muse for a couple. I collaborated and was a muse for some people this year. Like, shout out to those I've collabed with this year. just aligning with the home that we'll be moving into soon. We might not have 40,000 stars on Etsy, but Etsy for sure has over 100 5-star reviews, so I feel like that was good. Bold, people know that natural lay is the ish. Like, we're not even gonna do that. I feel like the black cat was like me, my shadow self walking away and walking into something great. And then also like allowing my cat to even be outside, like he's now an outside cat. So I feel like there's some symbolism there. I'm so grateful. What's funny is not only did I take a course that taught me, I'm so happy and grateful that, but I also created my own course that has this kind of following or aligning of messaging. So I was very giving this year. We did a lot with just being all natural. We still thick and radiant. Just so, overall, I definitely found this to be successful. I feel like even what didn't actually materialize was set up. And that is a success to me. So I look forward to making a 2020 vision board. Hello. Hi. I look forward to making a 2020 vision board and just growing the MPire legacy. We have a lot coming soon, but a lot did happen, and I'm so happy and grateful to have been able to see my vision out and see it through. So let me know down in the comments if you made a vision board, if you're interested in making a vision board, and if you did make a vision board for this year, how successful was yours? So yeah, this was very good. Oh, let us not forget, amen, I did become an author. My first book is out. Go cop it now. And we're working on book number 2. If it does not come out by my birthday, which is this Sunday, it will be out within the first couple of weeks of January. So stay tuned for that. Held panels and workshops, held master classes, like expanded the YouTube. We did a lot, family. So I'm very excited. I'm grateful. It works. Proof is in the pudding. So thank you so much for tuning in. And we're going to sign out with, don't you ever forget to stay magical always. Which kitty is that? I hear the black and white. I hear mine. Where's Raish? Raish? Where are you? Where are you? He's over there. Come here. Hi, Papa. What are you doing in the neighbor's yard? Hi, baby. You gonna say bye to the people? Love y'all. Yeah, orange kitty. We got Rish and then black and white under there. Good Lord. You like it over there better? Can I stop buying you food? Uh-huh. Hi, Mama. Okay, bye.